Hey guys, welcome back. So a lot of you know that I'm playing along with Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches, right? Well, I went to a crop and I did not film there. So I do have just a couple of layouts to share with you. I did, so this would be day 26 and the sketch was by Sarah Scrap. So I can show that to you in just a moment. All right, so let me show you what we have. So I was using this double shot kit. It was from October from the ScrapRoom, and it is from PhotoPlay. So I have some stickers in here. I used up like a lot, so it's kind of showing you backwards. I still have 3 sheets of cardstock though. So clearly I didn't use any of the cardstock, and I just have a couple of these pieces that are left here, and I have my sticker sheet. So let me show you the sketch, because that might help, right? This is a sketch by Sarah Scraps. She did a beautiful job with it. You know, Sarah does beautiful things. So floral bit here, floral bit coming down here, and I guess photo. So my daughter was facing this way in the photo that I have. So I just flipped this side over is all I did. So I have this big piece here with that gorgeous leafy paper is kind of taking care of this. I had one photo, so I just popped it right there. Now in the sketch, there's these pieces kind of sticking out. So I have these pumpkins and leaves and good things hanging out there. The title would have gone between the 2 photos, but in my case, it popped right up here. I did have some alphas with me. They're from, what is the collection? It is so cute. It is crepe paper. It is, oh, it's on the tip of my tongue. I'm grabbing it out because I can't stand it. I know which one I'm talking about. Let me see. Oh my gosh. I've unpacked a lot from my trip, but not all the way. So I'm looking. Guys, it's on the tip of my tongue, and you guys know what it is, and you're probably yelling at me. Stop yelling. I know what it is. Magical Forest. Great. Then we have this cluster over here in the sketch, and what I did with that is I just tore some of the same paper that I had here. I mean, I was working with a limited kit, right? And I went ahead and tore that piece of paper and popped on some of the stickers that we had, a couple of clustered here as well. This piece right here, as well as the leafy bits, are popped up on foam. Not really thick foam though. I have this pack right here of some foam I got from somewhere. I have no idea where, and I just decided I should use them up. I'm all about using these bits and pieces up. Anywho, my photo's up on foam as well. My photo also, what do I have? I have 4 mats on my photo, which is great. And I used a couple of the little tabs to create interest, I guess is the best way to put it. Now, I do have these really great matte gold bits here. There's these gems. They are beautiful. My girlfriend was ever so kind, and she gave them to me. Oh, here's that magical forest that we were talking about after I panicked. Yes, she gave me some of these gorgeous pink fresh gems. So I had to use them. And then, oh, but wait, there's more. The crop that I was at, Cat Scrappiness, gave us some of these enamel dots. So I just went ahead and included some of the white and the yellow. How awesome is that? So I used stuff right away that was at the crop. And I think that is so fun to be able to do. I feel like I was like running, trying to talk, but you know, we can relax. Now, these wordy bits were also part of the sticker sheet. I love little word stickers, so I grabbed some of them. Guys, look at how many stickers are left over. It's awesome. Okay, so lots of wordy bits are in there as well. I did mat my layout on this gorgeous plaid that I gutted. And then I was able to use the plaid, you know, for the photo mat. So sweet. And then I hit the whole thing with some Jen Hadfield Gold Glitter Mist, which when that bottle's done, it's done. That's how it is. But it'll be okay, people. Anywho, so that's day 26, as we can see from my very, very fancy note. Day 26 of Christy's Beautiful Life, 30 days of sketches, round 9. My sketch is from Sarah Scraps that I'm playing with, and I think that's all to tell you. So I did, yeah, once again, I'm still working through my ScrapRoom kits that I've had, and then I just decide kit by kit if I have enough to carry on, like, you know, or if I should just disband the kit. And I'm thinking it's time to disband it. I have only a little bit of pattern paper. I can put these in with my stickers, not a big deal, and part out my cardstock. So that is day 26. The layout I did, and I kind of feel like Moira, because she does that explaining and not like scrapping live for most of the part. Very, very cool. Okay, I will see you guys tomorrow with day 27. Oh, and I'll have links down below for the rest of the people who are playing along with this hop challenge thing. Okay, bye for now, friends.